Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI. I was on the search for a strapless bra and I'm really happy with my find. Let me show you what it looks like up close and tell you what I'm liking about it.
So this is from Maidenform, this strapless bra, and I wanted something with extra padding with a push-up element to it, and that's exactly what this is. It does come with straps so that you can actually make it multifunctional if you wanted to. I'm using it as a strapless primarily, and it has that little bit of grippy elastic on the inside, not an uncomfortable amount, just enough so you feel secure wearing it. And I like the fact that it has two hooks on the back. It's a wide enough strap for me.
So if you are also looking for a strapless bra and you want to have maybe a little bit extra padding, more of a push-up design, but that's also comfortable because everybody wants that, then I would recommend this. I find that it fits me well. I am not pulling on it. It's not slipping down. In fact, once I put it on, I almost forget that it's there. And it also comes with a strap if you wanted to use the strap, so that makes it versatile. But I've been wearing it just as a strapless and I'm very pleased with it. Even if I got very hot, it doesn't move on me, it moves with me, which is really important to me when I'm wearing a strapless bra. So I'm really pleased with this one. I find it to be comfortable and supportive, everything I need it to be, and that is my point of view.